Fresh green beans with caramelized shallot and ham. Use the freshest green beans available and a quality ham steak. Like, subscribe, and click the bell. I'm Mika from Mika'sTinyKitchen.com. Ready? Peel and trim the ends of the shallot and thinly slice. Cut the ham into 3 uniform 1-inch strips and slice thinly. I wash the beans and trim the ends in advance. In a 3-quart pan, salt 2 quarts of water. Bring it to a boil and add the beans. Cook for about 5 minutes or until the desired texture is reached. Not too hard, not too soft. Drain and rinse with cold water. Melt 1½ tablespoon of butter in a frying pan over medium heat. Add the shallot. Cook until translucent and they begin to color about 5 minutes. Add the ham. When the meat starts brown and the shallot have caramelized, mix in the beans. Season with 1/4 teaspoon sea salt and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper or to your preference. Mix until heated through. Serve in a favorite dish or platter and give the beans a twist or 2 of fresh cracked pepper. This is so delicious! The caramelized shallots are exceptional and truly shine. Everybody will love this dish. Click like and subscribe, and thanks for watching my video.